Check base layer, no oil, hollowing, or powdering. Plaster quality must meet intermediate standard. Use a 2 meter straight edge to check flatness and verticality. Snap reference lines. Mark horizontal and vertical layout lines per drawings and panel specs. Mix adhesive as required. Apply evenly in dots on panel back, plus a 60 to 80 mm perimeter strip with vent gaps. Press panel onto base. Align with layout lines for a flat, vertical surface. Install from bottom up, starting at corners. Follow layout lines precisely. Secure with dedicated anchors. Drill holes at marked points with an impact drill, insert expansion sleeves, and fix the anchors. Engage the upper row of panels into the fastener system. Use L-shaped trim components to support or fix panels above and below doors and windows. Insert polyethylene foam rods into the panel joints. Apply masking tape to both sides of the joint on the decorative surface. Then, inject sealant into the joint. During injection, keep the nozzle deep inside the joint and move it steadily. Tool the sealant bead smoothly in one direction. Remove tape immediately. Clean all edges. Wipe away adhesive residue with a clean cloth.